VACC's Technical Advisory Service has been receiving calls about Hyundai and Kia vehicles with noises coming from their electric power steering units. These vehicles have a steering column mounted electric power steering unit. These units use an electric motor to provide power assistance to the steering shaft. In between the motor and the shaft is a black rubber coupling which can fail and cause noises, ranging from clicking to a loud thud. However, it is recommended to check that all the mounting and universal coupling bolts are tight, as loose bolts can cause similar noises. If everything is tight, it is advisable to check the coupling. There are revised flexible couplings available and they have new identification markings. As the part number has not changed, contact your dealer to ensure you are fitting a revised part that has been improved with increased durability. There are at least 2 different versions of this power steering system, which are used across different makes and models. In one of these versions, it is relatively easy to replace the coupling. In the other, you will have to dismantle most of the column assembly to access the coupling. Once the coupling is replaced and the steering column is refitted to the vehicle, you will have to complete the absolute steering position calibration with a compatible scan tool. If the calibration is not completed, the EPS warning light may illuminate and the electric power steering may not operate correctly. For more information on Hyundai and Kia electric power steering couplings, see the September 2019 issue of Tech Talk, log on to Tech Online, or call VACC's Technical Advisory Service.